Hey Isaac, this is this week's practice guide video for you. And this week we will actually have 4 objectives, even though some of them are going to be kind of simple and familiar. The first objective is same one from last week, which is just finding a way to memorize the note names of the 6 strings of the guitar. So a really good way to do that would be to come up with your own acronym or any kind of memory device you have, or you could steal someone else's acronym. If you just Google strings of guitar acronyms, I bet you could find something that you think you could remember. So that's the first objective. And in the email I have the names of the strings in case you need that as a reference point. Second objective is playing your A minor pentatonic scale all the way up and all the way back, doing alternate picking. So that means that the first, because when we're playing the A minor pentatonic scale, we always play 2 notes per string, whether we're going forwards or backwards. There's always 2 for each one. So when you're doing alternate picking, what you do is the first note you hit on the string, you hit with the downstroke, and then the second note, you hit with an upstroke. So it'll look like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And even when you're going backwards, it's still down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Not up, down, up, down, up, down, but down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's objective number 2. Objective number 3 is to learn the D chord, which I also in the email put a chart, which is kind of helpful for this. And the D chord looks like this. We did it briefly in our lesson. It's where you have your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and then you strum the first 4 strings, and that is your D or D major chord. And then your 4th and final objective is to just keep repping your 1-finger chord progression until you can do it without thinking. So I think those 4 objectives should be enough to keep you busy. I'm really always worried more about quality than quantity. If you can just commit these shapes to memory, it'll serve you so well down the road. Look forward to jamming with you next week.